Morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. 12th English 2.8 Small Towns and Rivers, Icebreakers, State Board, Solved Examples. 2.8 Small Towns and Rivers, 12th English, State Board, Icebreakers. Most of the civilizations have flourished on the banks of the rivers. Discuss the reasons in the class. One is done for you. Availability of water. Availability of water, fertile soil for agriculture, fishing ground, transport. Write down the names of the famous cities that are situated on the banks of the rivers given below. One is done for you. Ganga, Varanasi. Ganga, Varanasi, Yamuna, Mathura, Godavari, Rajmundri, Varda, Sagara, Krishna, Vijayawada, Tapi, Surat. Write down the names of the rivers on the banks of which following cities have prospered: London, Cairo, New York, Paris. London, Thames, Cairo, Nile, New York, Hudson, Paris, Seine. Divide your class into groups and discuss the changes that might have taken place when the cities grow on the banks of the rivers. Share your views in the class on the topic conservation of rivers and development of the cities. Most of the human civilization have been prospered at the banks of the rivers. The reason behind it is availability of water. Water is life for human beings. When cities grow on the banks of the rivers, dwellings are built along the riverside. Different population groups settle there for the purpose of farming, fishing. Industries grow there. Trade and transport became easy. Because of this population increase and a city comes into existence, but in the later part needs of growing population harms the river system. Excessive use of natural sources harms river, and increased pollution in river water creates damage and problem. Share your views on conservation of rivers and development of the cities. Each city has a close and unique association with the river. Most of the famous cities and civilizations have flourished on the banks of the rivers. It shows that the rivers have a significant role in the development of the cities. Because of availability of water, fertile land and navigation, transport, most of the cities situated near river and flourished. So to develop a city, conservation of rivers is a very important factor. When a city develops near the river area, it looks beautiful and helpful, but the load of the development, industries requirement of industrial causes, the harm of natural resources. So at the time of development, we should note that development will not cause any harm to the nature. Big cities like Mumbai, Delhi are world famous cities, but they killed nature for their development. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगली वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।